Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to make a delicious homemade Caesar salad recipe. So we're gonna start off by making the dressing. You'll see in the video I chopped up a couple garlic cloves, like to smash them, chop them up. Then you're gonna add some anchovy paste, a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice, some Dijon mustard, some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of mayonnaise, about a cup of mayonnaise, half cup Parmesan, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Gonna whip it up, and this is gonna be the best Caesar dressing you've ever had. I can guarantee you that. This is freaking delicious. Then we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna season it like I always talk about. Plenty of salt, plenty of pepper, and while our chicken's sitting, we're gonna cut up some bacon. And then we're gonna get our cast iron skillet nice and hot. Put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then we're gonna put our chicken thighs. I like to use chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. They just taste so much better than boneless, skinless breasts. They're typically usually cheaper too, and they're if you overcook them a little bit, they still tend to be juicy. So that's one of the reasons. And like I said, they taste better too. So then we're gonna cook our bacon up after our chicken's done. So you'll see that this isn't really a traditional Caesar salad. I like to add a little bit of bacon, some tomatoes, some hard-boiled egg, and it just takes a salad over the top. So once we're done with our bacon, we're gonna boil a few eggs. Once those bad boys are done, we're gonna start cutting everything up. Our lettuce, our tomatoes, our bacon, our chicken. We're gonna toss it all together. We're gonna integrate our salad dressing that we just made. We're gonna mix it all up, whip it all up, and then enjoy our delicious Caesar salad. So it's a quick, easy fix for a wonderful dinner. Try it out. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe, all the goodies. Thanks for tuning in.